Hey guys, Hardik Patel here after a long time with my lovely buddy Mittu boy. Everyone was asking about Mittu, how is he doing after losing Charlie? Actually, he is doing great. He actually forgot Charlie, and he settled very well with this new Charlie, and both are pretty well in one cage. So far there are no big dramas. They are not, fighting much. I mean, once in a while they do fight because the Charlie, our new boy, is pretty new and he was not used to staying with another bird in the same cage. So currently, after keeping this new Charlie boy with Mittu, you know he learned to be with, and both are really coping up really well actually. How are you, Mittu? You wanna come to the camera? And here is the Mittu, here is the Charlie boy. So everyone was asking about what happened to Charlie. In brief, I would say that Charlie flew away. Is he alive or dead? I'm not sure. I'm talking about the old Charlie. But hopefully he would be surviving outside somewhere, because he is a good man, good boy, good bird, whatever I can call it, And I trust I trust him that he could survive outside, because whenever he was even inside, he used to hunt for food when he was feeling hungry. So hopefully he would be able to find out enough food to survive. Only the worry, is it's too hot outside right now. The weather changed suddenly and it's kind of 42 degrees outside, so I hope he would be getting enough water, but I don't know, what is he doing. I tried to search. My wife printed out a couple of posters and spread everywhere around, but we have no show, so don't know what is he doing. I hope he would be alive. So far, if you talk about Mittu, then Mittu is coping up very well with new boy, isn't it, Mittu? And Mittu is in a good health, aren't you, Mittu? Am I right? So please don't worry about Mittu boy. Mittu boy is living a happy life, isn't it? Huh? Yeah. And this Charlie boy is a little bit drama person because he is the untamed parrot. We got him when he was 9 months old from the previous owner, and previous owner was like he didn't know like how to train a parrot, and it's not his or her fault. Actually, the previous owners were like, they were keeping him in the cage and only giving the free time for an hour a day or 2 hours a day, because this fellow is pretty hard to handle, and they had to use gloves and everything because he used to bite a lot. But now, because I trained him, now he don't bite it. He tried to touch my finger, but eventually he stopped and then don't bite. So it takes time, see, he licked my finger, but he learned not to bite now, so I'm pretty happy. But yeah, the history of this parrot is the previous owners, like the boy girls those are the students. They were living together. They got these parrots from the pet shop, and the pet shop, you know pretty well, right, how the pet shop guys keep those birds. So that's the reason that this Charlie boy never been tamed, and it is the reason he is giving me pretty much tough time, but one day eventually he will learn to be with properly and should be fine. I hope you enjoy watching my videos, guys. Please thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more upcoming Charlie and Mittu's videos, of course new Charlie and Mittu's videos. And I'm really sorry about the old Charlie. I still miss him a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. Please don't forget to comment me if you have any questions or comments, or suggestions. Mittu, say bye bye. Bye bye.